Hello everybody, this is the FIFINE earphones and mic. They're really good earphones and mic. They sound good. Noise cancellation works good. It's just I think my ear is too big for that because it hurts after about an hour. The microphone unplugs and comes out just like that. And then you got the 3.5 coming out of your earphones. That goes right into the FIFINE up and down mic keys, and the 7.1 surround sound really makes a big difference. And this is your USB, which goes into your PC, PlayStation, or whatever you want it to. Otherwise, guys, if they didn't hurt my ears, I would give them a number 5. Y'all have a great day. I hope this found you educational somehow. Hi, see ya.
Loud. This is a recording to find out what I'd sound like. But you know what? Let's do a proper test. Let me change the microphone to... Okay, this is the microphone I had before. So this is the audio for that other microphone that I had before. And now I'm going
Wow.
to change it to my little microphone. How does this sound? How does this sound? You are so
I'm
funny.
gonna tell Rob at this point.
I'm gonna tell Rob, you're
I'm
so
gonna tell
funny.
you need to burn